Did you know today we're going to meet some amazing animals?
Really, Kun? Who are we meeting today?
An ant and a crocodile.
An ant and a crocodile. That's such a funny combination.
It is, but they're both so cool. Let's go to the Magic Meadow and learn their names.
Hi there, I'm Andy the Ant. Welcome to the Magic Meadow.
Well, an ant, you're so small.
Hi, Andy. Can you tell us what ants do?
Of course, we ants are hardworking. We carry food to our anthill and work as a team. Look at me carry this big crumb.
That's amazing. Andy, kids, can you say ant?
Ant.
Great job. Now let's meet someone very different from me. Follow me to the river.
Hello there, I'm Colin the crocodile. Welcome to my river.
Whoa, you're so big, Colin.
And you have so many teeth.
That's right. I use my sharp teeth to eat my food.
But don't worry, I'm a friendly crocodile.
Kids, can you say crocodile?
Crocodile, crocodile.
Well done, everyone. Did you know crocodiles can swim very fast?
That's so cool, Colin.
That was so much fun. We met Andy the ant and Colin the crocodile.
And we learned two new words today, ant and crocodile.
Kids, can you remember them? Let's say them together one more time. Ant, crocodile.
Thanks for joining us on this big word adventure.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Hey, look over there. What's that red thing on the ground?
Oh, that's an apple. Apple in English.
Apple. Apple. Red apple.
Yes, apple is red. Can you say apple?
Apple, apple, red apple. Yum! Apple is yummy.
Apple is so delicious.
Yum! Apple is yummy.
Apple, apple, yummy apple. Learn English with fun. Apple.
Tom, look at all these flowers. They smell so good.
So fresh, but wait, do you hear that? What's that sound?
Look, up in the sky. It's a...
Hello, friends.
Whoa, a talking bird.
Of course. I can talk. I'm here to teach you something fun.
What's that?
The word bird. Say it with me. Bird.
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 Good job. Now, let's find other birds. Follow me.
Let's go, Tom.
Look, a bluebird. Can you say bluebird?
Bluebird.
And there's a cardinal. Say cardinal.
Cardinal.
You two are amazing. What did we learn today?
We learned the word bird.
And bluebird and cardinal.
That's right. Birds are everywhere. Keep an eye out for them.
Thank you, bird. This was so much fun.
Yeah, let's fly again soon.
Anytime, friends. Bye-bye.
Hello, Kun. Let's explore the forest today.
Yay, Tom, let's go. Maybe we'll meet a new friend. What's that noise, Tom?
I don't know. Let's check it out.
Well, a bear.
Hello, I'm Ben the Bear. Who are you?
I'm Tom, and this is Kun. Nice to meet you, Ben.
Bear, you're a bear.
Yes, I'm a bear. Do you know what bears love?
Bears love honey.
You are right. I like honey. Say it with me. Bear.
Bear.
Good job. Bears are big and fluffy. Can you pretend to be a bear?
Yeah, I'm a bear.
Bear.
Thank you. Come back and visit me anytime.
What a fun day. We met Ben the bear and learned a new word.
Bear, bye-bye, bear.
Today's word is bear. Say it with us. Bear.
See you next time for another fun adventure with Tom and